For our new goal feature, we need our HTML to display an image like this. If the user has met her goal, the image should be php goal.met.ping. If she hasn't, then it should be php goal.not.met.ping. To get this working, in our PHP logic file, let's first define a variable goal, and for testing purposes, set it to $50. This is how much money our hypothetical user is trying to save. Next, using the total variable, we can determine if the user has met her goal with an if statement. All if statements start with the keyword if. Then, in between parentheses, you're going to write a condition that will either be true or false. Here, our condition is total greater than goal. So we're basically asking, is the total greater than the goal? Next, we need to tell PHP what to do if this statement is true. So in our case, if this statement is true, we're going to create a new variable called image and set it to be the file name of the image that we want to display. The curly brackets here are key. They indicate the start and end of our block of commands that will get executed if the statement is true. In this case, we only need to execute one command, but you can put in as many as you need. Following this, we'll add the else keyword, which will set up what PHP should do if the statement is false. Another set of curly brackets will define our else block, and this time we'll set image to be php goal.not.met.ping. Let's recap what we've got here. This code says, if the total is greater than the goal, set a variable called image to be php goal.met.ping. Otherwise, set that image variable to be php goal.not.met.ping. Now we can use this image variable in the display HTML. That should do the trick. When we run this app, it will report back that our goal was not met. But if we increase how many coins we have, we can test it again to see what it looks like when the goal is met. Now obviously this application has a ways to go. Right now, we've hard-coded the goal and the number of coins so that we can test our logic. Eventually, we'd want to improve this app so that the user can enter her own values.